He has strong business development skills and a solid technical background, and he's experienced as a leader in multicultural teams. His CV is very, very impressive and goes on and on and on. So I think the best here is to turn it over to him so he can tell us for himself. So a big, warm round of applause, please.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. Hola a todos. Muy buenas tardes. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, my name is Pau Contreras. I'm a Vice President, Solutions Engineer at Salesforce. Really happy to be here with you today in this really wonderful Indian summer. Well, we call it Veranillo de San Miguel. Yeah, ya es Veranillo de San Miguel. This is the reason why this is so warm here in Madrid and in the rest of Spain. So, what I wanted basically is to share with you what we are doing in the space of artificial intelligence. This is basically what I'm going to explain to you now. And well, before we actually get started, let me just tell you if this works. It's not working. Next slide, please. So for the sake of time, anyway, I'm going to go ahead. So we as a public traded company, we need to say, before we get started, that customers should make any decision, any purchasing decision, based only on products and services that are currently available. And having said that, let's dive in, okay? So, we are living in the midst of what the World Economic Forum calls the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Along history, we have seen that social and cultural changes have been always connected with changes in technology. 300 years ago, we started with the steam power, and this was the starting point of the industrialization process. Next, electricity created the era of mass production. More currently, computing started the process of digitalization of our lives. And now, in this fourth industrial revolution, we have technologies such as artificial intelligence, IoT, robotics, that are transforming every aspect of our lives, as I'm sure that you agree with me. Everything is changing. And this change is affecting everyone. Industries are being transformed. Financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and the list goes on and on. People and companies are trying to adapt to these changes. And of course, we have many questions that we still need to figure out the answer. We are trying to answer what is the future of work, the future of jobs, the future of talent, the future of skills, all the regulation around it, etc., etc., etc. But in any case, what we are seeing is that at the middle, at the very center of this transformation is a person. Because although this revolution started with technology, behind any of these technologies, there is a person. And people, and I mean each and every one of us, are now at the center of this huge transformation. Customers are now in control. Customers, people, are the real engine of this transformation. And customers have changed it completely, their expectations about the products and services that they want to acquire. They are expecting a different way of getting connected. They are expecting experiences that they are expecting to be personalized, relevant, and connected through any device at any moment, depending on their conditions of life. So it is key that we consider this aspect. People are at the very center of this revolution, and AI is playing a key role in this transformation. Now, we are using AI on our day-to-day activities. If you think in everything you do, as a normal basis, you will see that at home, on the go, and when you are, trying to acquire anything through your apps, you will be using artificial intelligence. Question is, the situation is really different the moment we step inside of our offices, of the workplace. The level of penetration of artificial intelligence making our lives easier inside the workplace is not exactly the same. And if we go to this space, we have many, many pain points that artificial intelligence can solve. So for example, in a sales team, AI can help the sales rep to define the leads this person should be putting focus on. Or for example, in service, AI can help a field service representative to identify the priorities of the cases that this person is trying to solve. Or for example, in marketing, we can help the marketing team creating the right content for a campaign. These are just few examples of this. In fact, as you can see, 84% of the executives believe that artificial intelligence can generate a lot of benefits. Situation is, anyway, that only 38% of those same companies have a clear AI strategy in place. And the reason for that is all the complexity behind artificial intelligence. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, especially when it comes to having teams of data scientists, all the complexities of integrating data, and so on and so forth. So we think that this complexity is holding businesses back when it comes to implementing strategies in artificial intelligence. What we have done in Salesforce is bringing AI to the foundation of our CRM platform. We want AI to be part, to be embedded into it, so that we can use it without being experts in artificial intelligence, without being data scientists. By doing that, we think that we are democratizing the access to artificial intelligence. And for doing that, we have created something that is called Salesforce Einstein. It's a good name, isn't it? Einstein. This platform is what we call a smart CRM assistant. With this platform, we can cover all the aspects of AI. Discovery of patterns in data, predicting, recommending, and automating business processes with AI. This is what we have done. And this is just a very, very simple example of this. So this is the Sales Cloud, one of our key clouds. And artificial intelligence has been embedded into it so that users can use it without having to be experts in artificial intelligence, so that we can use all the benefits of it without having to implement all these technologies and special skills that we have required in the past. This is what we are doing. With this, we are covering all the spectrum of analytics, from descriptive to predictive to prescriptive analytics. This is what we are doing. And just to finalize this, we have done this using a platform concept. Einstein is a platform that allows our customers to develop AI applications. They can use the platform just as embedded in the clouds, but at the same time, they can use all the functionalities that we provide so that they can build their own programs around all these functionalities. A key element here is that as of today, while we are talking here, this platform is generating more than 8 billion predictions per day. This means that our customers today are using all the benefits of artificial intelligence just by using the CRM platform of Salesforce. And this is because AI has been embedded, as I said before. This allows us and our customers to offer experiences that are not only relevant, connected, and personalized, as I explained before, but also intelligent, which is the key element here. And I think that, well, I want to keep the time. It says 0, although we started with +1, so I still have 1 minute. The last thing I wanted to say is that we think that this technology will speed up the adoption of AI as I said before, without being an expert in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, et cetera, with the set of functionalities that you can see here. Now, my recommendation for you, we have a platform called Trailhead. Trailhead is a platform, it's an e-learning platform that is using a personalization and gamification model so that you can learn a lot. We have created a set of educational content so that you can become a trailblazer in artificial intelligence. So I would like to finalize my speech just by inviting you to go to Trailhead of Salesforce and looking for this trail mix for becoming an artificial intelligent trailblazer. I hope that all of you can become trailblazers in artificial intelligence. And that's it. It was only 10 minutes. I hope that you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much.